Miss Tillis, you're not going to look at me? Are you that upset? Shh. What's going on?
She had the older case. She picked up the new case. We do not have video on the newer case yet. However, the state has made an offer to time serve her on the older.
All right out the gate. The state's offering a time-served deal on the older case, meaning she'd get credit for the time already behind bars. And the newer case? Poof, dismissed. Classic plea bargain tactic. Prosecutors trim down charges to secure a quick conviction without trial drama. But here's the catch. Pleading guilty might feel like freedom, but it often comes with strings attached. Stick around. This story gets way more complicated.
Older case and dismiss the newer one.
How long have you been in custody, ma'am?
A month and a half. She has 114 days credit on the older case, or she's been in for 114 days total on the older case and 55 on the new one.
Life, man. What do you do in life? Do you work? Do you go to school? Who do you live with?
I'm not able to complete school because I don't have the correct resources. I take care of my younger sister.
And she also
I
received.
don't want you to plead guilty just to get out of jail. I don't want that to happen.
Now, listen to the judge's heart here. She's not just a cold dispenser of justice. She's worried about this defendant's future, not just a quick exit from jail. Ever wonder how many plea deals pressure vulnerable people to plead guilty just to escape the system? Drop a comment if you think the justice system sometimes forces lesser evil choices rather than true justice.
Because it's only hurting you even more than you are right now. But if I let you out, you've picked up 2 criminal mischief cases. How old are you? Who do you have in your life now? Is your mom around? Miss Tillis, I want to let you out, but I have to know that I'm not going to let you out to the street. I'm trying to talk to you to get to know you in the little time that I have to see how much I can trust you if I let you out. I'm sorry? Who do you have in your life that's ready to help you now if we let you out? Yourself. Do you have any parents around?
Judge, mom is around. She's just not in the picture.
Father? Do you have anyone in your life that's ready to help you out and give you a place to live?
We can set her up to go to the Harris Health Center.
I don't know if she knows what she's doing.
Okay.
I mean, we're not going to do this just to let you get out of the street because the street is not a safe place for you.
I don't have contact with him on a regular basis.
So who are you living with before you picked up these 2 cases? Where? Did you have an apartment? Did you have? Who owned the house? I don't know if I feel comfortable. I don't want you to plead guilty just to get out, man.
Big moment. Judge ready to release her, but only if there's a safe place to go. This is where the court tries to balance mercy and public safety. Without housing or support, the streets become a revolving door back to jail. The system's harsh reality. Rehabilitation is not just about sentencing. It's about real-world stability, which many defendants simply do not have.
But If you give me a place that you have that they'll take you in, I'll let you out. Will you talk to Anna to see what we can do to try to help you find housing?
I can't get housing.
Why not?
I have a SSI, but my SSI has been getting taken.
Do you have any other family members in your life?
I have a phone loss.
Is that someone that we can reach out to and speak to? Do you have the number that we can have Anna call and verify? And
What is it called?
Her property at
Property.
the jail.
I can't.
you don't know the phone number by heart? Do you know any phone numbers?
Judge, if you'd like, we can roll this a couple of days and I can reach out to the next social worker to have them.
I'm looking now for a phone number. I have one, but I don't know if that's her phone number or someone else's phone number. I'm going through all the paperwork now to see if I can find anything. Is this 7599? Is that your number?
Yeah, the last four.
I don't want you to say it out loud now, but the last four numbers, do you know what your phone number is?
My phone is off.
Right, but do you know the number? There's a number that's on the paperwork.
That's my emergency contact.
Okay,
Wonderful. Can you reach out to that? And I'm going to give it to you now.
I can do that, Judge.
Okay. Can you please reach out to that, please? And if we can find her housing, I'll give her a panel fund. I don't want to just plead guilty just to plead guilty to get out, okay? I want anything, find anything, so that we can do it. And if we can have her talk to a social worker, get her housing and help with the SSI back so that she has some kind of income coming in.
Okay.
This is the phone number I have.
Okay.
And then if you maybe 2 days, let's not take long. If you need any help, if you need any kind, like if you need investigative money to find any kind of relative for her, just anything you need. Hey,
Just wait on my file for a plea judge.
okay. Yeah.
You're moving inside
Oh, that's a no-go. Jeremiah Julian. Good morning, Mr. Julian. Oof. Oof. So you were on bond for an unlawful carrying of a weapon, a felony PCS, a criminal trespass with a deadly weapon, failure to ID, and then another unlawful carrying of a weapon. So you have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 open cases. What are we doing?
Time served on one of the unlawful carry weapon cases, and they're dismissing the others, Judge. He'll still have to resolve his felony.
So that's still open at this point.
Yes, Judge.
Whoa, check this out. This guy just dodged 3 criminal charges by pleading guilty to 1. Sounds like a win? On paper, sure. But remember, 1 conviction sticks forever. Like a tattoo you cannot erase. And that conviction? It can wreck your life, job prospects, housing, and even immigration status if you are not a citizen. This plea deal is not just a bargain, it's a lifetime sentence in disguise.
Dismiss 3 of the cases in exchange for your plea on 1 of them. Okay. What you really need to understand is that this charge is going to go on your record. And you will be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any weapons that you pick up. Or I'm sorry, any cases that you pick up, you're looking at a minimum of 90 days in jail. Do you understand? This charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. You give up all your rights, basically, entering into this plea bargain agreement saying, look, I don't want a trial. I don't want to talk to witnesses. I don't want to confront and cross-examine my accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, you can never undo this or change this. It will go on your record and it'll be there forever. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of unlawful carrying of a weapon? You also need to understand is that the weapons in all of these cases will be forfeit. You will not get them back.
But that was only for one case. The case that I had.
That's for all cases.
Okay, yes. Can I tell you something? I mean,
Sure.
This is the moment of truth. Pleading guilty means giving up your right to a trial, to confront witnesses, to appeal. Basically, your chance to fight back is gone. Imagine signing away your future on the spot. If you were in his shoes, what would you do? Take the deal or roll the dice on a trial? Hit pause and let us know your call.
because sometimes they say don't speak to the judge.
Are you talking about the facts of your cases?
Yes.
So you can't, he's not gonna do anything about the facts of your case, that's a separate issue.
I want to tell you this, like, and then the gun was my mother's. And
Okay, so
You're dismissing all those cases. You know what I mean? So you're only pleading to one of the cases and they're dismissing the other three. So if you're not pleading guilty to those cases, they're dismissing all of them. So the problem is that part of the plea bargain is that you can't get these guns back. At least two of them. We only have two, right? Yeah. You can't get those back though.
okay.
Do you understand that? Okay. Do you still want to do this? All right. How do you plead to the offense? I will find you guilty, sentence you to 10 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 8 days that you've done.
Final call. The judge warns. Take probation seriously or face serious time. This case might seem routine, but behind every plea bargain is a person navigating a legal maze with real consequences. Remember, justice is not just about verdicts. It's about lives forever changed. Stay sharp and always read the fine print.
Unfortunately, we still have you here because you still have your case upstairs. Just be careful. If you get on probation, take it seriously because you're facing a lot of time. Okay? All right. Good luck, Mr. Lynn.
Thank you, Judge.
Take care. Thank you.